Even the best apps can suffer if their metadata sends the wrong signals. In this video, we're breaking down the most common metadata mistakes that silently sabotage your downloads and how to fix them fast. Let's start with the big one: keyword stuffing. Packing your title, subtitle, or description with too many keywords doesn't help your rankings. It hurts them. Algorithms in 2025 are smarter than ever. They prioritize natural, user-first language. Keyword stuffing makes your listing look spammy and decreases tap-through and conversion rates. Focus on clarity, not clutter. Next, using generic titles. An app called Fitness App or Photo Editor is unlikely to stand out. Generic titles may contain keywords, but they don't communicate value or uniqueness. Combine descriptive keywords with branding. For example, ZenTrack Guided Meditation and Sleep does both. Mistake number 3. Ignoring localized opportunities. If you've only written metadata in English, even though your app is getting traffic from global markets, you're leaving growth on the table. Always localize your top markets first. Transcreate titles, descriptions, and screenshots for each region to connect with users culturally and linguistically. Fourth, outdated metadata. The App Store is dynamic. Trends shift, competitors evolve, and your app itself may change. If your screenshots or descriptions mention old features, or if your title hasn't changed since launch, users will assume your app is stale. Keep it fresh and relevant. Fifth, weak value propositions. If users can't immediately see the benefit of your app, they'll scroll past. A title that says Habit App and a subtitle that says Track Stuff is not persuasive. Instead, show transformation, build habits, crush goals, stay consistent. Now that's compelling. Another common pitfall: neglecting preview assets. Your app icon, screenshots, and preview video carry enormous influence. Poor design, blurry visuals, or mismatched colors can ruin credibility instantly. Invest in professional assets or test multiple versions through A/B testing to find what resonates. And lastly, repeating the same keywords. Repeating the same keyword across title, subtitle, and description doesn't boost ranking. It wastes space. Instead, use that real estate to expand your keyword coverage and improve relevance across more search terms. Remember, metadata is your app's first impression and a powerful growth lever. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll turn your listing from overlooked to irresistible. In the next lesson, we shift gears into visual optimization, icons, screenshots, and preview videos that drive conversions. Let's keep building your advantage.